trying to fucking kill me, bro. What's up with you, dog?
Man, I'm not trying to kill you. I'm trying to get to you fast and safe.
No, bro. I'm trying to tell this man, don't do it. Look at him. Look. Hold on, bro. Don't do it. Y'all, yo, my heart is on my ass right now, bro. 74 and 2 miles. I got love for you, bro.
That nigga took the exit already.
Wrong one. Now this nigga trying to fucking kill me, bro. But bro, I got 90 fucking 2 on the dash, bro, in a 60.
What that nigga boss man do last say? I'm doing money in the 60.
Hold on. Slow down. Yo, we got 10 minutes till we get to the damn spot. Lord got me. Hey, bro, look, do me a favor. Don't drive like this on the way back, please. Alright?
I won't, because we probably gonna leave before they do.
Yeah, please, bro. Look, slow down.
Bro.
Talking about him. Talking about the nigga in front of you.
No, you talking about me. Slow down.
No, I'm talking about the nigga in front of you, bro, not you. Listen, look, bro, I'm not pussy, bro. Trust me. If I'm whipping, I'm whipping the same way you whipping, bro. It's a different view when you're in the passenger seat. Bro, you don't know how it feel because you ain't never been in the passenger seat of your own shit.
Nigga, well, I haven't been in a passenger seat where niggas drive crazy either.
No, your own car, bro. What did they take the exit or they keep going?
You know they took the exit.
Yo, this nigga trying to fucking kill me, bro. Bro, I almost cried. Like, I almost cried, y'all. 8 minutes, bro.
Turn left.
For the next 8 minutes, can you please drive like a civilian? Bro, we're civilians, bro.
Nigga, you should never told me to go on this cruise. We should drive your shit.
So
you can drive.
Left onto
You make a good point, though.
Exactly. Good fuck. How was I figure all this shit? You think I'm gonna drive sweet?
Yeah, next time I'm driving my own shit, bro. I'm not driving with you,
wait on
though.
your ass.
What the fuck you mean by that, boy? We trying to say shit.
Look, I'm pulling up with them.
I know.
Just driving crazy.
But look.
The way you talking about driving, we gonna be waiting on your ass.
Hey, you know what? I'd rather y'all wait on me than not see me at all.
Hey, we're up BC.
Nah, bro, you playing with fire, bro. You like,
Nigga, I know how to drive.
no, you know how to, you got your shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm used to Florida drivers, you know what I'm saying? I only let one nigga drive me like this around, bro. Only one nigga. And he know only one person got, like, what the fuck? Look, he didn't even know what he was doing. Yeah, only one person allowed to drive me around like this, bro. Like, I fall asleep and he could drive like this and I won't worry, bro.
Turn left onto Covington Highway.
Hey, when I get out this car, bro, do me a favor, bro. Let me breathe and talk to God real quick. Cause,
Yeah, thank him.
yeah, cause I ain't gonna lie. Oh, his shit kind of tough. Yo, Redo. Yeah. Oh, dude.
Bruh, this nigga, bruh. All I did was I hit 112 max. He talking about slow
No,
down.
you wild as hell, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
But that's nothing. 112, bro. That's nothing, bro. Trust me.
Oh, yeah?
Shit. So I guess I'll slow down a little bit.
No.
If these niggas don't try me, cause they tried me straight on the highway, bit dog. Trying me like I'm straight pussy or something.
Let me drive when we get back, bro. Let me drive when we get
Look, he think I'm driving. Let me drive my car. I just said my girl don't drive my shit.
back. No, so that way I get insured. You make it easy. Well, that's why I came to pick up my bumper.
Yeah. Where?
The other day, right here. That's why I come to get my bumper from. Yeah.
You felt that little slide though?
Yeah, I felt that shit, bro.
nigga don't trust me to drive. Like, bro,
No,
come
no.
on.
I'm about to call my girlfriend, bro.
We ain't trying to get a motherfucking V8, bro.
Calling my
I already
girlfriend.
turned this V6 up, bro. The nigga told me he calling his girlfriend. What
I'm
the
about to
fuck?
tell her to pray for me right quick because this nigga Ivan trying to kill me.
This nigga said, ew.
Babe, pray for me real quick. This man Ivan trying to kill me.
Hey, tell her.
Okay. Damn, them boys deep. He trying to kill me, babe. Ivan trying to kill me.
I'm pretty much straight pipe, bro. I got like 3-inch pipes.
Yeah, your tone is definitely a lot louder than mine.
I'm trying to get that shit a lot deeper a little bit.
Yeah.
I heard if you get a titanium exhaust though, for the V6, I'm gonna get that Burble 2 motherfucker though. Bro, this shit heavy. You heard? Hey, this a 5.7. Yeah, but it's a police car. It's an ex-police car. But I know my cars. I know my shit. Oh, his shit might be all-wheel drive. How you put a thumbnail on the video and shit? How you put a thumbnail on the video and shit?
You gotta edit it. Make sure you make it look how it look like, and then once you post the video, and then you'll go back to it. You post it as private. You go back to it, edit it, and then you can put it on there.
Shit, thumbnail finna be fire. Yeah, it's gonna be made by this nigga. Man, shit. Ooh, is that a CTSV Blackwing? That's a CTSV Blackwing that just pulled up. That blue one, yeah. God damn. God damn, what the fuck?
I thought y'all seen me walking that motherfucker.
God damn.
Oh, hell no.
Hey,
sound like that.
don't be talking about the V6, bro. Hey,
If your shit don't sound like that, you cool though. This shit,
I mean,
that shit sound harmless.
what's up? What's up? Are you done with the camera? He said, I'm done. Oh, they leaving. Niggas leaving. What you trying to show off and shit? I'll smoke that shit.
Bro,
What?
I'll be snapping this shit.
Oh, God. Bro, what the fuck?
What?
Yeah, you be doing that shit. That motherfucker cat. What he finna do? Damn. They be their camera guy. Oh, he caught that big. He caught that big. He caught that big. Oh, shit. That boy was crashed out.
God said he finna walk that motherfucker.
Hold on, now I need this clip.
God, that nigga shit crazy, bro.
Yo.
Hey.
I would, boy, but I ain't got no tire.
Me neither. My shit. Go look at my shit. I swear to God. Hey, nigga, I need tires, man. I'm talking about. I mean, that bitch slide every time I get on that gas for real, but that bitch slide. Wait, hold on.
Oh, she got scared at the last minute. All this content we just.
I'm gonna finish the video when I get to the crib.